Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Portia with Portia Fit. Today we are doing a sunset meditation and I am here at the park. Not only just the park, at a skate park. So I'm carving out 10 minutes. I know I said I'd do 12 minutes today, but today it will be 10 minutes at a skate park. So there's cars going by, there's people skating, people are talking, and remember, as I was teaching you guys, we want to be able to meditate almost anywhere, especially out in public, because sometimes you'll be on the road, on the go, and you just need to kind of park and just get your mind cleared. And what better place to be than in a park? So that's where I am today. Again, we're bringing in the sounds of life. We are not trying to disassociate from them. You'll naturally do that. The more you practice meditation, the easier it becomes to, as I call, to just drop in. Meaning you can get disturbed. Like one time I was meditating out at someone's birthday party and someone kicked a soccer ball and it just bonked me on the head because my eyes were closed. I saw the ball, I threw it back, and I went back into the meditation. So this is practice for you to embrace the sounds around you and still be able to be with yourself in peace. It's a practice, okay? Not perfection. All right, I'm going to set 10 minutes and we will begin. If you need to take deep, full breaths to help bring you into this moment, connecting the mind with your body with your mind through your breath. Slowing everything down. Full, deep, long exhales. Soft inhales. Releasing tension that you may be holding. Furrowing your eyebrows, soften there. Frowning your eyes, soften. Unclench your teeth. Unclench your jaw. Be soft with the tongue in your mouth. Woo-hoo. Be still. Be soft, be supple, be calm, relax, feel joy, feel peace, and just be. Invite movement back into your bodies. Maybe gently move your head and neck around, only if it feels good. Move your fingers, toes, wrists, ankles. Maybe stretch your legs long, fold forward, keeping your eyes closed. Stretch feels good. Do a nice stretch. A yawn. We'll open our eyes together. Welcome back. How was your journey? How do you feel? Felt like time went by really fast. Do you feel as though there's a level of timelessness? Like you don't know how long you were gone somewhere in the ether, in your peaceful place within? It's okay if you didn't. It's okay if you still feel like, when are we gonna be done? Because it's a practice. And when you keep practicing and showing up every single day, eventually it becomes super easy. Time just doesn't exist. You'll melt away into a blissful state of being. Thank you all so much. I will see you back here tomorrow. Namaste.